Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what I have already told you that there is a pattern forming, okay, and whenever this pattern breaks, that is where we have seen the range moves upside or downside. Okay, if you look at this particular pattern after pandemic, that there is a continuous upside. After that it has made a flag pattern, or you can say it was in this range. As soon as this range breaks, we have seen a fall has come. After that it was in this range. As soon as it breaks that range, it went upside. Okay, and once it formed this range, see, this is moving in a zone. As soon as the zone is breaking out, that is where the price of silver is moving upside or downside. Okay, till now what we can see, it is moving in this zone. Okay, if this zone break upside, that means if it goes above a level of $25.8, chances are very high it will go further upside. Okay, or if it moves below a level of around $22, $22.145, we can see it will fall further down. Okay, as of now, from 2 weeks there is a continuous fall we have seen. As you can see, two red candles are forming. Okay, and this is a pattern forming, which I have already explained you that if the price move above a level of 21.8, chances are very high it will go further upside. See, it touched a level of $6.11, and this is after just, you can say, from Feb of third week, and in just 1 month or 1.5 months it went to a level of $26. That means a huge rise we have seen, around $4. After that it moved in that zone and then came down again. It moved in that zone, as sharp fall we have seen. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, overall trend is upside, as you can see in the silver, but it is moving in a zone. So probability is high for the third time, a probability that it will move above a level of 26. There is a higher chances because we can see a narrow pattern is moving upside. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are low because we have seen 2 weeks continuous fall. Okay, and it has already moved below that particular support, so chances are high it will go further down. But as I have already explained you that if the market moves sharp, fall or rise, it will only happen when there is a breakout or some big news is coming or something is happening like this. Otherwise, how market moves, it hold for some time, moves in a zone, break out that zone, and this is how it moves. Okay, and the same way it comes down. Okay, so what you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move towards its next support at a level of $24.123, and if the price fall below that particular zone, we can see it will fall further down towards a level of around $23.825. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below that particular level, we can see it will fall further low towards a level of $23.23240. Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, it will move towards a level of around $24.123, and from there we can see a level of $23.741. If the price fall below that level, then we can see it will touch a level of around $23.281, and if the price fall below that level, we can see it will fall further low towards a level of around $23.075. Okay, this is the zone. But if the price didn't sustain this level, then a probability of going further down, we can see that then it will move below a level of $23 and a probability of touching $22.745. Keep that in mind. As soon as it moves below a level of around $23.890, chances are very high it will move further low because there is a pattern forming in this zone. Okay, so probability of going to below a level of 23 is there. Keep that in mind, that once started falling below this level, chance of touching 23 is on a higher side. Okay, and a probability is also there, it can that it can touch a level of 22.5 and then further low, because there is a pattern forming and chances are also high. Okay, now as I have explained you that market is always uncertain. Okay, you can see the trend, you can see the trend is moving upside, overall trend, but see the volatility also. So always try to set your SL What is the benefit? You will save your capital as well as you will be in profit if you set your SL. Second, always trail your SL. Okay, it will again save your capital. Okay, and it will, suppose if you are in some amount of profit, if you are trailing your SL, you will save the profit for sure. Okay, and this will help you to build confidence. Okay, now the important thing is that always try to set a limit for a particular trade, for a particular day, for a particular week, for a particular month. Okay, always try to set so that your capital and profit can be saved. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are high. Now suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will move above a level of $24.556. That is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will go further upside, and chances are high it will touch a level of around $24.900. Again I repeat, if the price sustain this level, chances are high it will cross this particular level, $24.556, and it will go towards its next resistance at a level of around $24.816, and probability of touching 24.900 will be there. And once the price move above that particular zone, it will go towards a level of around $25.130, and if the price move above that particular zone, it will go towards a level of around $25.354. Okay, if the price move above a level of around $25.530, chances are very high it will go towards a level of $25.626, and from there it will touch a level of around $25.993. Okay, so then what you can see, our overall trend will be an upside, and a pattern will form. That is on a higher chances that once it started moving above level of $25.323, chances of going further upside we can see that a level of 25.593, and then to a level of 25.997, and then it will cross a level of 26.143. This is on a higher chances. Yes, it will, if it moves above a level of around 24.660, chances are of moving further upside is there. Then it will touch a level of 26.115, and then you can say it will cross a level of $26.5 and will touch a level of 26.7, and then further upside. But if the price move above a level of 26, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me up. With the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.